What's up guys, your boy Shadain here, and today we're back with another video, and this product is the Rg35xx Plus from Ambernic. Now this is a newer handheld retro device. If you guys don't know what this device is, it's a retro handheld just like the Miu Mini Plus that I've reviewed before. Now this is much more powerful than that one, so we'll be doing a second device on the channel here, and we'll be doing our first impressions and talking a little bit about this device and see how it does versus my old one versus this new one. So let's unbox it. So this comes in a wrapper of sorts, and then we have under here we have the manual, the wipes for the screen, and then we have the screen protector here. Now let's open up and take this one out. Now immediately I can already see differences. For this one, the buttons are way much mushier versus the other one. They are still hard style buttons, and all buttons are hard style, but they're all really mushy and feel really great just pressing these. For these buttons here, let's see if we focus. These buttons on the back here are really mushy too. I like the feeling, and it won't focus. But as you can see, as you can hear, it does rattle when rattling the device. But they feel really nice. And if you guys want to see the size comparison, this is the size comparison between the Miu Mini Plus versus the Rg35xx Plus. They are slightly bigger than each other, and you can see, like, they, in my opinion, they feel a lot different just by immediately touching the buttons. You can see that I can feel that these have a longer travel distance than these. Now let's put this back to the side. Now let's get these out of the way. And sorry for not finishing the unboxing, we also get a USB cable here in this box here. We don't get a dongle. We don't get a dongle like the other Miu Mini Plus, but we do get a USB cable for charging. Now we also have a volume switch here, just like the Miu Mini Plus. We don't have a power button up here. We don't have a power button. We do have an HDMI, so we can hook this up to our TV. It does have those LED lights on top there as well. And then on the side here, we do have that power button. I don't know what that button is, the R button. There's an R button there. I don't know what that is. And then we have two USB or two SD card slots that we can put our storage in, which is dope. Then on the bottom, we do have our charging cable and our headphone jack here, which is nice. All right, let's power this device on and to see what it has on it. Let's hope it has some charge. It does, and it feels a lot bigger too. The minute you literally get this device, it feels much larger in the hand. Feels much comfortable versus the old one. The Miu Mini was just a little bit smaller in my opinion. This definitely feels nice. Now this UI looks kind of weird. So we have game rooms. I know game rooms instead of ROMs. RA game. So let's go. We have history, game, GRA game. Then we have game rooms. Don't know what game rooms mean, but let's go to RA games. We have PSP here. We do have a few titles. We have Ridge Racer. We have Tekken 6. And then we have Open Board, which is, I guess, their server. I don't know what that is. Dreamcast, which is a new one. PlayStation 1. I guess these are CPU. I guess these are arcade games. We have FB Neo, HB Name, Name or Mame. I think they're supposed to say Name or something. Atari, VB, Poke. We have GW, GBA, FC, SFC. We have NDS here, ports, and then we have apps. Let's check out the NDS. Sorry, I went off. I want to check out the NDS because I'm a sucker for NDS games, and it does sound really loud. Yes, the speaker is here, so it's not, even though it sounds kind of far from my opinion. We don't have any Pokemon, sadly we don't, but we do have Underground 2. Let's try out Underground 2. We do have that screen on the bottom there. But I'm already liking this device though. So get to pick a car. Let's go with car is locked. Oh, you can change it. You can change it. So that's cool. Alright, menu. We do have that emulator just like Drastic. We can change a bunch of stuff on there, but I won't change it for now. I'm just gonna stick with what's on here. Alright, I went the wrong way, so I ain't gonna play no more. And then let's see what we have for GBA Games. So let me just do a quick rundown of all the games that are on here with this. So PSP, we have a total of 9 games, not very much. So I'm guessing we have to put on those ourselves. Open Board has an 8. Dreamcast is 13. PlayStation has 33. PlayStation 1. CBS, I don't know what these are. Probably arcade game, as I said before. All of these are also, they have box art, which is nice. There's a bunch of games on here. I think most of the games are on these older systems, which I really don't dig a lot. And I guess you would need a second SD card to probably fill everything up. So that's where you'll be putting most of your games on. Or if you want to wipe this one, you can too as well. But there also is an alternative software that can be used, which is the Garlic OS. But Garlic OS is currently not utilizing its full potential with this hardware, so it's not a viable option just yet. So I would say if you guys pick this up, stick with this version and you should be fine until it gets fixed. When it gets fixed, I will be making my video on here. Let me try the PSP games though. I want to see how powerful this thing is. PSP games are very hard to run. Let's see Ridge Racer. Even though Ridge Racer is the only game on here that looks taxing enough, hopefully I can play without an analog stick. Let's see. Select. Are you kidding me? This is the Ridge Racer. Oh my god, guys. I am playing that. I was pranked. I was pranked. I honestly thought that was the Ridge Racer I was playing. I was like, what the heck? This is not even Ridge Racer. Oh. Let's see, how do I erase stuff? It says delete with O. Oh, there we go. D-A. Let's go with that. I'm just gonna pick anything. Alrighty, let's go single race. Look like it's running well.
3, 2, 1, go!
Audio sounds botchy though. I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, I won't waste any more of your time, but this is basically how these games are running so far, which isn't not good. PSP, I guess, is a little bit taxing for this system, but we'll see. I'll be doing more testing on this device soon and giving you my further review on this unit. I'll be putting more games on there and testing them so you guys can see a full review whenever I'm finished with it. But also be coming with a full review for the Miyu Mini as well, so stay tuned for that one. But that's it for today's video. Hope this one wasn't too long, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.